It's up to you. Your career is based on your interest, not someone else's interest. If you decide to become a businessman, then you need to continue with that. If you decide to become an entrepreneur, you need to continue with that. If you decide to become an IAS officer, you need to do a degree and then go for IAS preparation. And it starts from now. You need to start exploring, learning. And you know what? What is common here? It's your vision. It's your vision, the long-term vision that you want to become so and so and then make parents proud. The common thing here is learning, learning, learning. What is the common thing here? Learning. At every step there is a learning. At every step, every single day, you need to keep learning. Because learning is a lifelong process. What is learning? Learning is a lifelong process. Learning is a continuous process. Learning is a never-ending process. The more you learn, the more you become better. पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Right? You need to keep studying, you need to keep exploring, you need to do research, you need to keep learning, 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 because we are born to learn. Humans are born to learn. The more you learn, the better you get it. The more you learn, you become smarter. The more you learn, you become intelligent. The more you learn, you become wiser. The more you learn, the more knowledge you gain. You ignore learning, you become fool. You ignore learning, you become an idiot. You ignore learning, you become ignorant, careless, dumb person on the planet. So don't ignore learning. Keep learning. Keep learning. It's not only textbooks. You can learn by listening to others. You can learn by observing to others. You can learn by listening, observing, understanding things, what is happening in the surrounding. You can learn by reading newspapers. You can learn by watching news. You can learn by watching people, observing people. There are so many things. You can learn even from a small kid. You can learn even from an ant. You can learn from even an ant. Ant is hardworking. It is super hardworking. We need to learn those qualities. Yes, are you with me? Yeah? Right. That's why career guidance is required. So career is a combination of all these factors. Okay? Please be mindful of that.
The program was very nice, sir. It motivated us very well, sir. I will try to implement these steps in my life, sir.
Sir, the program was very useful for us, sir, especially for our grade 10th. There is a exam in 15 days. Your motivation will help us to score better marks. I hope. Thank you, sir.
Greetings for everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank you, sir. As a 10th grader, I was in dilemma to how to begin my studies. Now I have got an idea to start my studies, and I hope I'll get my good results. Thank you, sir.
A warm greetings to everyone present here. I've learned so many things from this session, and now I also know how to present myself in front of everyone. I now know how to feel of doing anything I'm going to say.
Good morning, everyone. Sir's inspirational words have inspired us a lot, and we have learned many things. The most important thing we learned is that constituents is the key to success. Also, we must dream big to achieve. We must dream big, and we must focus on our goals to achieve.
Good morning, everyone. The program went very well, and we got motivated. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, sir, for the wonderful words that you have given us to motivate us, and I'll implement them in my life. And
good morning, sir. The program was very good, and I have got much motivation tips in that. So I'll try to follow the tips in my daily life. Thank you, sir.
good morning, sir. I inspired more by your program, and your tips was very good. As well as I will use this in daily life.